Tuya Wi-Fi Panorama Camera. It comes with the required tool and it's really easy to install. You can use this security camera indoor and even outdoor. Just simply use the barcode to connect the camera to mobile app. Make sure the camera is covered so it doesn't get wet. You can use the app to pan, tilt, zoom, and 360 rotation. You can turn on motion tracking to automatically track moving objects. And night vision mode activate when environment is dark. Or you can turn on the light with the app. The two-way audio features enable you to talk to your family anytime, even if you are far away. You can also use the alarm to scare away thieves. I'm really happy with this Wi-Fi camera and I 100% recommend it.